welcome to Trenton Free Public Library's Adult Art Club. I'm Mimi McBride.
And I'm Damaris R.
And welcome outside!
Woo! So today we're going to be doing some tie-dye bags. As you can see, the library will provide you with your bags. Isn't that nice? This is our new color. This is our new logo. Just wanted to show you guys. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to be provided with the bag, the tie-dye colors, rubber bands, not the soda.
No,
soda's
no
just
soda
for the
for
win. You will be provided with the gloves.
Do use the gloves. You'll see later. You will dye your hands.
Yes, you will become the purple people eater.
Damaris has purple hands.
So we're going to be doing two different methods. Mimi's going to be doing the tuck and roll. She's going to be rolling it like a piece of paper. And I'm just going to be turning it. And let's get to work.
All right.
Oh. Right before we do this, we have to remind them to have something under your, like, to protect it.
Oh yeah,
your table.
Everything's going to get
Wet
and painty. So definitely protect your table.
And your clothes.
Yeah.
We're in uniforms, so it doesn't really matter. But you know, if you're home, you're gonna look all cute and you don't want to mess up your clothes. All right, so let's get started. Mimi, you're doing the folding tuck, and I'm doing the crazy one. Let's see if we could do it. It's kind of windy, but we're on a mission. Like, fly away. So the first thing for me, I'm gonna pinch it right in the middle. I'm gonna turn it, but keep it pinched. Don't let it go. You want to do it tightly, so the colors come in a circle. Then with the straps, you're gonna secure it with the straps. Come around. This is the same method I used on tie-dyeing our bags last year. If you guys have been with us that long. So then you kind of pat it down. Got your rubber bands. You should be provided 6 of them. You're gonna put one right in the middle. See, it grabs everything. Take your time, there's no rush. Maybe you should have something to drink. Maybe some music on. Maybe outside in the garden. Enjoying the sun, enjoying the spring.
Yeah,
this is nice. This is really nice.
Yeah, the weather lately has been a little weird, but today is certainly a beautiful day.
Today we are just enjoying outside in the garden. As you can see, mine's just kind of like becoming like a little circle. I'm just gonna keep on putting more of my rubber bands until I don't have any more. Mimi, how you doing over there?
Well, I have my
roll.
Yeah, my roll and my rubber bands. I'm just trying to get them as evenly spread
That's what I'm doing right now. Possible.
Yeah.
So you're just gonna keep going. Kind of eyeballing it. It is your project, just however you like it. There's never a wrong way. Alright, so you will be provided with 2 different colors. Me and Mimi are going to share it because we don't want to take those colors away from you guys. So we're going to be using rose red and aqua blue. So as you can see, let me show yours better because it shows better. She has it divided. So you're going to go pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, however you like it. And make sure to really, like when you receive your bottle, you're going to have, it's going to look like sand, but it's not. It's paint at the bottom. You're going to put the water in it. You're make sure you really like dip it, like really put that in there. All right, let's get started.
So, you filled it up all the way. You want them to fill it all the way?
All the way.
And did you like shake it so
Yes.
it's fully?
Yep, you shake it and it gets dissolved, and then you just start painting.
All right.
All right. Here we go. Make sure you have like a area that you know don't care of getting dirty.
Yeah, and the bags themselves, they're not very absorbent, but
I feel like if you take your time and you kind of like push it in there, it'll get to where it has to get. You know, and if you feel like it's not enough color, add some more. We're providing you with some, but you could always go buy more too. It's not expensive. So tell me, Mimi, what are you excited for spring?
well, I mean, I like when the weather warms up, and it certainly has. You know, this weekend it. I thought that was a firecracker at first. Did you hear that noise?
Yeah, I did, but I knew it was a
Saw.
yes.
Yeah.
It's okay. It can happen.
But speaking of firecrackers, I like the 4th of July.
Oh, me too. I can't wait. Grilling.
Yeah, I can't wait to start
Going
grilling.
to the beach. Just enjoying like time outside in the sun. Like I was telling Mimi when we were walking over here, I was stretching my neck like a turtle because of the sun. It just feels amazing. I miss it. I'm ready for summer to be here. Got any plans this summer?
Not for the summer itself. I'm about to go on vacation next week, and so that'll be fun. I'm gonna stop by and I'm gonna first go down to Florida, and then go down, up on my way up. I'll go to South Carolina and Virginia.
Wow, Mimi.
Yeah, we're driving up from Florida.
That sounds fun. You want to switch colors?
Sure. I'm not sure if I'm really doing this.
You
right.
gotta kind of squish it and like kind of like when you dab it, kind of like rub it. You're doing good. We're doing the best we can with the products we got.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you definitely do have to rub it in.
So just like really take your time with this project. You know, this is one that you're gonna get messy. You're gonna want to really add that color in there to get that effect of tie-dye. And just keep in mind that it's gonna go everywhere. It's gonna be a hot mess. So like really don't care about the clothes you have on. You could see my hands and look, it's coming towards me too.
Oh, oh,
yeah. Looking all like blood. Just imagine that on my jeans. Like, damn, you gotta go home there. Something happened. So this blue is being kind of cheap with us, I see. The red is actually getting more than the blue. You know, we're just gonna go with the flow.
yeah. So would you recommend that they fill it maybe
Let's do
a
half.
little less?
Yeah. I filled it more because it's two of us, but it's just gonna be one of them.
That's true.
You know, like this is more purposely for the video. So because I feel like thank you, you too, sir. Because I feel like mine's is done because I have a hot mess already. So the next thing you're gonna do is, Mimi, you just keep going. I'm just gonna put mine in the bag. I'm just gonna like tie mine in the bag it's in because it has to stay some time. Oh, I like the color. Yours is coming out. You have the tie-dye effect.
Kind of. It's kind
You
of
have
cool.
the light one. Yeah,
It's
keep
very
going,
light,
Mimi,
but
but it's nice. And right now it looks light, but when it sits, it'll get darker.
That's true.
You know, just take your time.
Just stop.
Well, we're gonna need to put them in bags. Okay, so your last thing is to wrap it up in your plastic and put it, as Mimi is showing her burrito, and put it in another bag. You're gonna need a couple of bags because it's gonna leak through. And then pretty much you're gonna put it in a bag, you're gonna hang it wherever, you're gonna give it a day, and then you're gonna come up with yeah, we're back.
After that little tornado took us away, but you know, Annie M and it, whatever.
So this is the final product for one of the tote bags I made. As you could tell, it half took and it half didn't. I mean, like, I like the effect, I like the purple, I like the drip, I like that it looks like it got smothered by paint or just splashed by paint. But when we were putting in the paint for the ones that we're doing, you know, for should we tell them about the giveaway?
Oh, why not? Like, let's entice them to come.
Yeah, so these are for you guys. We've been working on stuff for you guys for a basket, for 2 baskets, and then one more, right? 3 baskets. One with everything that hasn't been touched, one that I've touched everything, and one that she's touched everything. So this will be in my bag. But to be honest, I'll probably doodle on this and make it like super cool and super full. It is your bag, you can do whatever you want with it. But this is how it came out. So when we were doing the video, I was telling you to really push it in. Because if you push in the color, then it'll show. But if you put it light, this is how it's going.
Yeah, so once ours will dry, then obviously we'll take a picture of it. So you'll be able to see, it'll be on either end of the video. But that's what we have so far. Yep. And like we said, you know, really you're going to have to push in the paint.
Have
but
a lot
if
of
you,
patience.
yes, have patience. But if you unroll it and you're like, oh, there's still a lot of white stuff.
I'm thirsty. Maybe this will, you know, you take a break and get something to drink yourself. Cheers.
Cheers. Hang on. So if you, you know, hang on to your paint, because if you unroll it and you're like, oh, there's still a lot of white, you know, keep going, put some more on. So, you know, you can always still mess around with it. You know, it's your bag, do whatever you want. Have fun with it. It's never wrong.
Enjoy springtime, enjoy going out. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and like let us know if you like the project. We keep on telling you guys to tell us something and you keep on not telling us, so now we're gonna front, so maybe you want it now.
We're desperate.
You guys gotta tell us so we could keep on doing the art projects, because if you don't tell us, they're not gonna give us the funding for it. They don't know if it's the numbers are doing good, if you guys like it, if you would like something different. That's why we want you guys to talk to us. If you're kind of shy and you don't want to text, I mean, you don't want to message, I understand, on Facebook or anything, just come to the library. You know where the library's at. I am the children's department. Mimi is reference. We're always all over the place. You know what we look like already. It should be easy to find us. So thank you again for, you know, enjoying us and making tie-dye tote bags with us.
So have fun with it, and happy spring.
1, 2, 3. Bye.